What am I doing? Hey, Chef Pete is here. I'm having a ho day. And you know what? You've seen me make soft ginger cookies several times. I've been making soft ginger cookies, but today I'm gonna make a cake. A cakey, Maria! Yes, a cake. I'm making a cake, a gingerbread cake. Okay, so what I have here is I have our flour in this bowl, our ginger, our cloves, our cinnamon, our baking powder, a little salt, and this is ready. We're gonna mix this up real quick here so we get everything incorporated. Everything incorporated here. And because I'd like to make sure we get everything incorporated into our flour. This is about roughly 1.5 cups of flour. Let me double check on that. I think it's more like 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, okay? And I've got our spices in here and salt and baking powder and everything is ready to go. Okay, so there we go. So now I've got that all mixed up. Alrighty, and back behind me here I have our pan all ready with flour and some oil. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is get started. I've got some sugar here in this pan, about roughly, how much sugar we got? We got about 1/2 cup of sugar, and I am going to get our butter in here, and we are gonna cream the two together. I've got softened butter. Let me get him out of here. I have softened butter here, and what we're going to do is, this is roughly, 1/2 cup, so that's 1 stick unsalted butter. And what we're gonna do is get this mixed together here so we can get it what they commonly call creaming it. Kind of like when we do cookies, but we're gonna get this mixed together. Okay, and I'm gonna set this back behind me here, our flour. So let's get this going a little bit here and get it so that it's all nice and creamed together. And then when we get this creamed together, what we're going to do is we're going to then add our egg in. Okay. Alrighty, we're getting him going. So let's throw our egg in. It's looking good. Okay. Now, this is a ginger cake. So we've got about 1 cup of molasses here I have. Not backstrap, regular molasses, okay? And we've got this mixing well. So I'm gonna shut this for just a minute here so that I can get this molasses in there and get every good bit out of our 1 cup measure. Every good bit out of here. There we go. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, we're gonna hold that over there so it's out of our way, and then we're gonna continue to mix, okay? Mixing our cake together here. Now we've got our sugar, our egg, our butter, because we're making a cake, right? Yeah, we're making a cake, but we're making a ginger cake, not a ginger cookie. That's our oven. I've got it over there going at 350, so it's ready to go for us. So we're gonna keep this mixing, okay? And then what we're gonna do alrighty, is we are going to get our flour over here. Now I've got over here 1 cup of hot water, okay? 1 cup of hot water, and we're gonna put that in at the end. What that does is make things nice and tender, okay? Beautiful tender cake we're gonna have. All right, so let's lower our speed down and let's start with our flour, because we're making a cake, right? Okay, let's get it going here. I lower the speed down so we don't get flour all over me, all over the table, all over the wall, all over everything in here. So, there we go. Alrighty. Alright, let's get the rest of more flour in here, another third of it. Get this going. Now, if you have a Mixmaster or a KitchenAid or any one of those kind, you could free your hands so that you let the bowl go around and whatever and let the KitchenAid or whatever do it. I'm using a hand mixer today. Righty. And you should smell it in here. It just smells gingery, molassy, clovey. It smells really great. All right, now let's get our last third of our flour in here. Turn it down. Okay. Now let's get this mixed in. And the last thing we're going to do here is slowly pour our hot water in. This is hot water over here. I just boiled it in the pot, so I have hot water. And then what we're going to do is make sure we incorporate that and pour it in our pan, and we're going to cook this for roughly 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven at 350. And what you want to do is, make sure you put the toothpick in the center. Okay, so let's get this going and just take it easy.
Well, it's looking good. It
smells good. Doesn't it smell good, Ann? So instead of cookies today, Chef Pete is making a ginger cake. Okay, there we go. Get this down a little bit here. All right, now what I'm going to do is scrape the sides down here real quick and then give it another quick mix. Just like this. The molasses just smells really great, everybody. So, look at that, how pretty that is. Oh my God. And this is the kind of cake that you could serve with ice cream, whipping cream. So let's just make sure we're all...
just vanilla icing.
Just vanilla icing even, yeah. I think.
Buttercream ice cream.
Or nothing.
Or just powdered sugar even.
Yeah, powdered sugar would be nice. Okay, so let's get this out of our way. Okay, we'll get this mixer out of our way, and over here we have our batter, and I have our pan, and what we're going to do is just get it right in the pan, just like this. So remember, you're going to cook this until, and I do that, I give it a quick tap, everybody, so we get any air bubbles out of it. And if you're worried about the sound or breaking your dish, just whack it on a towel. Okay, so then we're going to go into our oven, and when we come out, we're going to show you a cooked cake. Remember, toothpick out of the center clean. Alrighty, just like any other cake. Alright, and And right in it goes. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's. Make yourself a gingerbread cake today. And happy holidays to all of everyone. And we'll see you later as it's cooked. So this is Peter Carpizzo's out.